The 4th of January marks the arrival of annual snowfall at Boleysillagh Farm. Yet the work continues relentlessly in this first quarter. Time-sensitive tasks await, crucial for the farm's ecosystem. The first task is weeding. Weeding is more than plant removal. It's a crucial step in bog restoration. Permaculture principles guide us, focusing on ecology. Restoring the bog aims to attract diverse wildlife. It's not just re-wetting, it's about creating a thriving habitat. Our goal is to have wildlife visit and hopefully stay. Winter work sets the stage for bird nesting season from March to August. Early nesters like robins are already here. We hope to attract more species like curlews and skylarks. After years of effort, some wildlife has become long-term residents. Ensuring food availability is crucial for their stay. Checking water levels in the bog is vital after each rainfall. Measurements are taken and recorded diligently. Berms, swales, and ditches are inspected for water runoff. Necessary repairs involve damming with turf or wood. By late January, this work pauses, ensuring stability. Trees require attention too, with vegetation removal and fertilization. Pruning fruit trees and path repairs are ongoing tasks. Tree work extends into spring and summer, unlike the bog. Accessing waterlogged bogs is challenging, so early action is key. Proper care prolongs the tree's life. Mid-February sees scion wood cuttings stored for grafting. By March, grafting begins, weather permitting. Unsuitable rootstocks require constant grafting efforts. Transplanting and taking cuttings are ideal in this quarter. New fruit and hedgerow trees will be planted soon. Winter work at Boleysillagh Farm is critical for ecological restoration. From bog care to tree maintenance, each task supports wildlife. As seasons change, these efforts ensure a thriving ecosystem. Thank you for your attention. For detailed information on the innovative works being done at Boleysillagh Farm, do please visit our website at bolesyllaghfarm.ie.